Since I started creating content, I've realized that having an organized setup can make recording feel much more comfortable. Today, I want to share my first experience putting together this video making kit for my phone. When I opened the box, I found several pieces, so I took my time looking at each one and understanding how everything worked. I started with the small tripod, opened the legs, and checked how it could be placed on the table. Then I looked at the phone holder, microphone, light, and the other included accessories. At first, I wasn't completely sure how all the pieces connected, but as I continued assembling everything, it started to make more sense. I enjoyed discovering each accessory and watching the setup slowly come together. From my experience, having my phone in a stable position helps me feel more comfortable while recording and allows me to keep my hands free. It also helps me organize my recording space and pay more attention to what I'm showing. This was my first experience with the kit. I'm still learning how to use each accessory, but I enjoyed opening it, putting it together, and discovering a different way to prepare for my future videos.